The hassle factor is anything in the sales transaction that the customer wouldn't pay for.
Salespeople were almost looking to have their own administrative assistant.
The easy part is to get the customer to say yes. The hard part is getting the order through the system.
The ultimate cost is really around growing our business.
I was probably the squeaky wheel. I was constantly referencing this as the #1 issue that our partners were facing in dealing with Xerox.
Lean Six Sigma has, through the investment that we've made in the dedicated people, allowed us to focus on these problems.
Everyone on the team is a sales rep. We're just a bunch of sales reps trying to help sales reps out.
What we really want to do is to provide a delightful experience for both the sales rep and the customer.
The goal of all these projects is to make it hassle-free. They were chartered to remove words, extraneous words from the document.
Customers have been telling us for years that our order agreement is too complex, very difficult to understand.
We put objections right into the sales process by the way the documents are structured.
Explaining fields that don't apply to them.
There are terms and conditions in our contract now that apply only to government customers, and yet we give those terms and conditions to every customer.
On a single unit transaction for a commercial customer, 84% of that form is never touched.
We require the customer oftentimes to sign multiple places. They need the salesperson to guide them to find the right signature blocks on each page. In some cases, the salesperson will put together a supplemental document that explains what's in the order package because they can't understand it just from the order agreement.
We reached out to our customer base in an online survey. We found out from over 700 respondents.
Don't just fix the documents.
Start with a whole fresh approach to it.
We needed more than just a 10 or 15% improvement.
We needed almost a revolutionary change in the whole sort of value stream.
We were looking for a 70-80% improvement.
From the prospecting cycle right through to completion of the order agreement.
The process couldn't be fixed. It really needed to be replaced.
You can see the entire array of serial numbers at that one customer site in that same time frame.
The computer goes and does the things that they used to do by hand.
We've already had about 17,000 serial numbers pulled in that tool. And that would have taken 3 sales reps, 8 hours a day, the entire year.
People are shocked. They look at it and say, how could we possibly have not had this solution?
Now we're going to take hassle out of the process by automating the quoting process.
The current method for producing documents, which is to have one size fits all with check boxes, wasn't going to work.
The customer doesn't want a document where we've lined out things that don't apply to them. They want a document that's specifically designed for them.
We identified a Xerox solution, VIP, Variable Intelligent Post-Bit Printing, that could deliver the variable content we were looking for on our contract.
It clearly says what the agreement is. We've got a photo of the first product on the agreement, and then each of the sections here have a tab that identifies them. So we have a solution section, a pricing section, authorized signature section. So it's very easy to follow the transaction from top to bottom and left to right. And here, there's a single signature block. And the customer gets this one branded look of a company that's easy to do business with and easy to understand. If the sales force in the field says that it has removed hassle, then it's certified hassle-free.
I think it's one of the most exciting things we've done in a long, long time.